Welcome. If you've ever tried to find an old message in Messenger but ended up endlessly scrolling, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated, step-by-step way to use search in Messenger chat to quickly locate any message you need. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen, where all your chats are listed. Next, tap to open the chat where you want to search for a specific message. This could be a conversation with a friend, family member, or even a group chat. Once you're inside the chat, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see the chat name or the person's name displayed there. Tap on that name. This action will open the chat settings and give you access to more options for managing your conversation. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Search in Conversation. Go ahead and tap it. A search bar will appear at the top of your screen, ready for you to enter keywords or phrases related to the message you're trying to find. Type in your search term. This could be a word, a phrase, or even a date if you remember when the conversation happened. As you type, Messenger will instantly show you all the messages in that chat that match your search. Each result will highlight your keyword, making it easy to spot what you're looking for. Tap any result to jump directly to that part of the conversation and see the message in its full context. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can save time and avoid scrolling through endless messages. Whether you're looking for an important address, a shared link, or just a funny moment from the past, Messenger's search feature makes it easy to find exactly what you need. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with friends who might need a little Messenger help. Thanks for watching and happy searching.